It's Tiffany from ZURU Toys, and we are reporting to you from the scariest place ever, a parking lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We're gonna open up some smashers. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Go get it, go!
Let's go smash some smashers! No, don't! I was hoping we would get this one! It's the ice cream!
What's in his eyes? Look what I found!
A smasher! No, there we go. Ooh, we got brains!
Oh my gosh, he's got an eyeball in his mouth! This poor doggy. Let me get that from... he's eating my hand!
An orange shoe. I want to pay my respects for my family. I see something under the grass.
It's a gift from the grave?
Oh yeah.
They gave you what?
A smasher.
Smash it open!
Oh. Whoa. Wait,
You got the toilet.
Yeah.
What is this? I found an eyeball smasher.
Oh my
God. It open. Whoa.
I got a blind bag.
Did you get the slime?
Oh, I think I got the slime one.
You did. You got the slime.
Oh my god.
You got the slime. See.
It's covered.
Oh, that's awesome. So you got the slime one?
Yeah.
That is so cool. Pull it out.
We can keep the slime.
Okay, pull him out. Whoa, he's covered in slime. That is so cool.
And we can keep the slime too and play with it. Oh my!
Pull it out, pull it out. Awesome. Wait, he's glowing in the dark.
Wait, he's glowing in the dark?
Oh, he's like see-through. Oh my gosh, he's all bones. But look, his eyeballs left. And look, we have a smasher. Can I smash it?
I want to smash.
All right, smash it right there. On the floor?
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa.
Got one more smasher. Want to smash it right here?
Happy Halloween, and thank you so much, ZURU, for sending us all of these smashers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ZURU Toys.
Have a spooky day.
Have a spooky day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.